No slow starts today. I'm already deep into the woods at Talking Rock, and right above me is the DJI Neo 2. I didn't even use the controller. I just launched it, hit the trail, and we're gonna see if this drone can actually keep up through these tight Georgia pines. It's a little eerie having this thing buzzing right behind your shoulder without a pilot. I've got it locked on auto follow. And the goal is simple. I'm gonna ride as hard as I can to see if I can outrun the sensors or if it ends up wrapped around a tree. Two stayed right on my shoulder, but I noticed a bit of hunting when the sun hits the lens through the trees. It hasn't lost me yet, but we're about to hit the fastest section of the trail. This is the real test. Wait, stop. Did you see that? It almost clipped that oak on the right. This is exactly why you have to keep an eye on these things. It recovered, but man, that was close. We're heading into the final stretch now, and I'm going full pin to see if it can keep up. We're heading into a series of tight switchbacks now. This is where most drones fail. For the Neo 2 to keep me in frame, it has to pivot almost 180 degrees while maintaining its altitude in these trees. If it overshoots the turn, it's going straight into the hardwoods. If it can survive those switchbacks at Talking Rock, it can probably handle almost anything you throw at it. But we aren't done yet. I'm opening it up for the final high-speed descent. This is where the wind resistance and the follow speed really get tested. If the Neo 2 loses me now, it's a long walk back through the woods to find it. Stick around for the final 60 seconds because I'm about to see exactly how close this AI stalker is willing to get. Final verdict? I tried everything to shake it, but this thing won't stop. It's officially target locked. If you're a solo rider, this is a total game changer for filming your own edits. Hit that subscribe button for the next trail test. I'll see you out there.